Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Governorship aspirant in Edo State, Honorable Serguis Ogun, says if elected as next governor, he will ensure financial autonomy for local governments and encourage sustainable development to spring from rural communities. Honorable Ogun made the declaration shortly after he officially joined Labour Party at a brief ceremony in Ugboha, Esan Southeast local government area of Edo State.
Honorable Serguis Ogun, a former chieftain of the ruling People's Democratic Party (PDP) in Edo State, officially joined the Labour Party recently to actualize his governorship ambition. The governorship aspirant, received by Labour Party stalwarts in Edo Central Senatorial District, led by Chief Friday Ibadin in Ugboha Esan Southeast local government area of the state, was given the party's flag and membership card. Honorable Ogun, who represented Esan Northeast and Esan Southeast Federal Constituency in the House of Representatives between 2015 and 2023, promises to implement policies that will drive sustainable development from the grassroots if elected as the next governor of Edo State.
When I get into office, I will walk through the local government. There's no reason why the local government will not have money to work. I am told they are supposed to get 10% of the internally generated revenue of the state. They will get it.
The former federal lawmaker says he plans to provide basic infrastructure to encourage massive food production as a strategy for poverty reduction in Edo State.
As it is right now, most people cannot go to their farms because of the activities of the herdsmen. Allow the local government chairman to have enough money and task them, if they have to recruit forest guards or whatever to ensure that nobody goes to the forest to disturb the farmers, they will do it. We used to have local government construct roads, rural roads or otherwise. People need to be able to bring out their farm produce. The price of food will come down.
In his resignation letter dated 23rd November 2023 and addressed to the ward chairman of his former party, Honorable Ogun stated that he was leaving the party to secure an alternative platform that would give him the opportunity to serve Edo State and make meaningful contributions to nation building. Honorable Ogun, who is the recipient of the 2022 Lawmaker of the Year award, courtesy of the national daily newspapers, is convinced that Labour Party will produce the next governor of Edo State come September 21st, 2024.
Inside the Niger Delta,